Cabbage is great for treating infections on the skin, for treating wounds, for ulcers. It's also really good for joint pain, inflamed joints. Great for arthritis. I'm going to show you how to make an easy poultice that will help you with the inflammation. This has antibacterial properties. It helps, detoxify the skin. It prevents bacterial growth. And again, it acts as an anti-inflammatory. So all we're going to do is just chop this. We're going to pound these leaves so that the cabbage can start releasing its juices and its sulfuric compounds, okay? If you have a meat mallet, that works great. I don't. I'm gonna put these in a little pot and I'm gonna add a tiny bit of water. All we want to do is warm them up. So we're not gonna boil this or anything. All we wanna do is just warm up those leaves. Obviously, I don't want it to be super hot, right? I'm gonna put it directly on my skin, so. All right, guys, you just grab it and put it directly on the joint or the wound or wherever you want this to work its magic. Let's say right there on my knuckles. Wrap it up with a gauze and let it do its thing. And there you go, Cabbage Poultice. It really works, guys.